Hey guys, so today we're playing Minecraft. So you know. Um Hi. Did you even die? Did you die?
No, I wanna die.
Then what happened to your skin?
It's Steve, I know. Oh, hi guys, back. I'm playing Minecraft with my sister now.
Hello! Hello peeps!
Must stop. I was changing to change my skin already. Hima, you're Alex.
Yeah. I forgot to change. I cannot use this one, okay. Okay, we twin sisters!
Yay!
Ow!
Sorry.
Why can't I hit you? Mine is broken to hit people.
Oh god, we're gonna find the door.
I made this, okay? Not you. You're the one who is relaxing all the time.
No, because my phone is battery low.
Meow. Yes, right, Black Cat. She very bad.
How dare you?
XD, okay. Ah! Okay, so we have to defend for the night. And I have the best idea. Come on. Thunder. Go.
Stop.
Go. Don't worry, we're gonna keep your stuff when you die. Well, where's the place? I think it's here. Wait, I went to any place, okay.
Nella Gaming!
What?
What are you doing? Oh my god, a stair dirt. Oh my god, what's that?
Because I was building.
A stair dirt. It's yucky. What is
I
this?
hate you.
Okay, let's go to your tunnel now. Whoa. What's this tunnel?
Go inside here. Go inside. Wait, let me build more. Wait. Yeah, move.
Okay.
There you go. Now I'm gonna take this. Okay, you go in one of the tunnels. And they cannot even hit you. It's almost morning. Wait, don't break it, I'll break it.
Right here. I had 3 chickens.
Okay, whatever, come on. Let's go get some food. I want food.
Oh, I can't stand.
Oh. Yeah, go
We'll
another
put
way.
some stairs over there.
Yeah, move. I need to. There you go. Come on. Go.
Wait. Stop. Stop moving.
Ow.
Don't move.
Ow.
Oh my god,
Ow.
man. This is fat. You're fat. You're fat.
I'm not fat.
I'm
Dad. You're fat, not me.
Nobody's fat. Stupid.
Okay, let's go hunt for.
How do you put the pink wool?
Oh no, creeper. Yeah. Run into another place. Oh my god.
What's that? Oh no, you die.
Oh man. I hate it. Oh my god, whoa. Hi zombie. You cannot live here. Hi zombie. Oh my god. Don't kill me, please. I don't want to be killed. Mochi! Are you kidding me? Stay there, yeah. No stairs. No stairs for you. Are you freaking kidding me? No, stay there.
Ma, why do you do my room like this?
Bam. Ow.
Why you do
Ow.
my room
Ow.
like this?
No.
Ma,
No.
why you do my room like this?
Because I don't know. I don't know what to do. You can have a pickaxe. You need a pickaxe
I'll
for it.
broke it.
Okay, then I'll fix it. Not me.
I'm gonna fix it, okay? You're so
The zombie's not doing anything. Hi. Bam. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's open
Uma,
here.
you did not do the roof yet because I'm not coming.
Yeah, I was lazy.
Uma, how do you do the pink wool?
Oh, I don't put wool. It's concrete.
Concrete.
Oh, let's make it morning first so we can know. I just hate it. Okay, so let's go get some pickaxe. Wait. We need to kill some spider first. We need fishing rod. We need fishing rod for eating.
Oh no, my apple's finished.
Lol. Okay, so oh my god. Not gonna lie, oh my god.
Orange.
I can do this. No, I'm not using my purple bed. I can make red wool, pink wool,
Man, give it to me, please.
pink wool.
Just one.
Ah! They're using my bed. No.
Just my bed.
Wait. I think I know how to make a fishing rod. I know how to make a fishing rod. I know. One fishing rod. I only have one. I have only one. Okay, I'm gonna go fishing. It's little fun.
Hi guys, welcome back. Let's get here for you. And Nella Gaming, where are you?
I'm here fishing.
I can't see your name tag. Huh? Where is it? Oh, I see your name tag over there.
Oh my god. Wait, stay still. Hey, come on, let's go. Let's go, fishy.
Oh my god.
Go to her channel and see what's going on. Ow! Bad fishy! No!
Nella Gaming!
What?
Stop! I'm hungry. You have food.
Talking about food, let's go get something to eat.
Oh no, I have food. Watching. I'm better eat that. Oh.
Let's go find. I'll go find a spider eye. No, I don't want a spider eye.
Oh no, I don't have any food left. So how do you make a pink food? I mean a pink that.
Wool. I made a wool.
Ma,
Chicken!
chicken.
I need your meat. Okay, I don't have anything. Okay. Chicken, yes. I'm gonna so many chicken. Hello in the outside world. Oh my god, I need to eat. Sorry, Leah. I need to be. What?
So you can make my pink bed different.
Okay, I'll go get some pink bed later.
That's a cow, not a sheep.
A sheep!
Oh, over there.
Hi, sheep. I guess that's all. Bye.